Yeah, starting with the presentation, so we are going to discuss about the Cylinder Electric. So briefly explaining about this company, this is the company which manufactures elevators and escalators for various parts of the world. It is one of the leading industry in this sector, and they manufacture these for various malls, then stations, airports, etc. So this is an European multinational energy and automation provider, and this has been named the most sustainable company in the world. So, starting with about the company, so this company was in the 29th position in 2020 and was recognized as the company which was early and sustained committed to the environmental and social issues. So, from the starting of the company only, the company aimed for sustainability in various factors, mainly in environmental factors and social factors, and from working to and they are mainly working to protect the planet from overheating and building products that protect the environment to ensuring better access to energy. So they are maintaining a balance between both, between global warming and energy, and it is reducing the CO2 emissions and is slowing down the rise of energy by focusing on renewable disruptors. So the core of the company strategy is to build a sustainable business and company. Talking about the economic viability is being a manufacturer elevator in India and in the rest of the leading producers, but they are strongly into sustainable development and then top companies in terms of sustainability standards. The economic viability is high as they are in green energy and viability, and the cost of setting up is high. But after that, the economic cost of the company is low in terms of energy. But with the methods of production, the cost is a bit high for the other companies. As it is into elevators and escalators, they are into steel and other things. So their company aims into green energy, but with the cost of steel and other things, and into the construction part and other things, the investment is high. So the investment is high, but also that the um, demand for these things are high, as each and every building and each and every airport, railway station, and other things strongly need them. So these balance out for the investments, profits, and other things. Talking about the environmental impact, they are showing a less environmental impact by following all energy saving guidelines and good quality materials of production. In terms of work, they are a big firm and cost effectiveness is also high, and they motivate towards environment and improving sustainability. And then with the fact in production having high percentage of energy coming from green sources, and they are thinking and planning to get into 100% green energy in a few years. So innovation and technologies. So they are mainly into the innovations and technologies, mainly in steel and other parts of building the strength and how to increase the speed with minimal minimal materials, and also with high performance of the elevators and escalators with minimum energy utilization. So they work on mainly this, but also with green energies. They are also into green energies and are looking to reduce manpower and time and various other factors with increasing the percentage of energy utilization in green energy and decreasing the energy used by the equipment they are producing. So coming to the feasibility and practicality checks. So yeah, it is practically possible for this company to go to 100% energy in the industry in terms of energy usage, as the amounts of profits and stock values, the company gains a huge amount of increase in the valuation of the company every year. So getting and getting a good amount of investment into the part of green energy like solar energy and wind energy is easily possible for this company, and into the production line and other things. Also, the reduction in cost is possible, and people can invest more in this company, and also changes are easily feasible. with a small investment with increasing needs of the company. Now coming into the scalability of these industries. So towards the escalators and elevator industries can be easily scaled with economic investments from a small scale to medium scale to large scale. So here with a basic investment you can you can start making this because you get an you already get an investment when you take up a project because you have to buy steel raw materials and other things, and you can put a part of the thing into this renewable part of the energy, and also researching and working on the technologies to decrease the amount of energy the escalators and elevators take for an ride or other things. So and also that this company has a rating of 6 and it can go even better with scalability and around investments and profits. Now coming to the social impact. Being the most sustainable company all across the world, this company has created a very good impact towards the products manufacturing raw materials they are using. They use uh, pure, uh, well-built steel and other things in their equipment and have a good percentage of green energy. They are creating social impact on people, social impact on sustainability, social impact on government issues, and also inspiring many other companies to come with them into the goal of sustainability and reduce the amount of carbon footprint. As their motto is very clear that they want to decrease the heating of the earth, which is the global warming, which can be decreased by decreasing the amount of carbon emissions you are doing. So they are into green energy and they encourage other industries to start with green energy by funding them for the initial costs. Now coming on to the solutions and budgeting constraints. So solutions are very simple and it has a very good manufacturing technique with best raw materials used to grow the plant, and also with the industries doing 100% green energy and wants to become towards zero carbon emissions by 2030. This company is leading the way of sustainability and wants and encourages the government to take up these issues higher, reduce global warming, and also that their budgetary constraints are an investment. Investment is a budgetary constraint which they face in both aspects of scalability of the company and also in the 100% green energy. But this is not that much high, and the company can easily manage scalability with the profits they are getting, as they are the leading industry in this, and also the competition is very less because the industries into this field of making escalators and elevators is not much, and also that there will be some investment in maintaining sustainability and getting profits. So next is the regulatory complications. So there would be some minor complications, but this wouldn't by anything on this big firm because it is already on the number one position in the sustainability aim, and also has a big demand in terms of development all across the world, and has also worked out. And the complications, if occur, then they will not gi- give a big impact on the company, and also there are very high chances that in the coming years there might be no complications occurring. And finally, it will become to the adaptivity, which is the main thing which company is concerned about. So it's quite easy for an industry to adapt this because firstly the company is into the part of zero carbon emissions, and also that the company is having a perfect motto, and the complete company is striving towards it, and also There are moderate investments in this, but there is an easy profit making base in escalator at the business due to the demand, firstly, and also the less competition in between industries, and also that every country is now aiming towards development, maybe in railways, in metro, or in buildings. And as the population is also increasing, so elevators, lifts, and other things in industries are also needed. So the demand is keep on increasing. So the profit making in this industry is easy, and people having a common mindset and people having a motto to towards sustainability, they can divert some percentage of their profit into green energy, sustainability, and other issues, and also motivate other companies which are mainly into fossil fuels and other things and are giving a very huge amount of carbon emissions towards sustainability by giving them a head start of investment into setting up solar panels, windmills in their energy consumption, and also this company by increasing the efficiency of the equipments, they are giving the excess energy from the solar panels and green energy towards the grid, which is then used for the domestic purposes, thus more decreasing the carbon emissions and striving towards sustainability. So I will end my presentation. Thank you.